Starting video of the price job in Riverwood, Florida. Laid hardwood floors and put in this bed unit. We didn't really give it a name yet, but it's got a queen size bed set in the center, and then these pull out side tables so that you can have a drink or read a book with soft clothes. And then these closets work for turning this den, which is what it was, into a 3-bedroom house now that we have closets either side. And the lights work off of a simple dimmer touchpad. 1, 2, 3. So you can read books at night and be happy. Nice look for finished product.